Alright, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, live weatherblocks.com. We're going to go over a few things here. One being what we're going to see here tonight, and then the next one, we're going to go into the weekend where we see what's going to happen there. We have a cold front moving in. We actually may see disturbance move through there and get some snowfall for the Delaware Valley this evening. Overnight, you see some of the stuff start spreading out a little bit. In the overnight hours, 1 to 5 p.m. time frame, you get some moderate banding. We might see up to a half inch, maybe an inch at the most. Not going to be too much, but be careful in the morning when you're driving. So we're going to go through that. See the northwest streamers going here. And we're going to start going into further up the line. And you see not much goes on until we get further along the line for the days coming up, Friday and Saturday. And of course, we're looking at snowfall to come across the area by the time we hit Friday night at 8 p.m., Saturday morning. You see, we also have that mixture going to happen. This is the 4K NAM, so it's feeling a little bit more indistinct where I see snow versus the mix versus the rain. This may be a little off, we get more mix, less rain, but it's getting a concise area where there's going to be snow, there's going to be freezing rain, and there's going to be rain. And that'll be going into Saturday at 7 in the morning. We move further south. We're not too much the issue when it comes to the rain at all. You can see maybe some spotty snow showers along the western facing slopes. Maybe down in the Blacksburg. But nothing huge and exciting coming that way until we get towards the weekend. As you see, the cold air is coming in. We get a little bit of overrunning. We'll see what goes on here. Some precipitation overrunning it. And then we see precipitation break out. The thing with this is going to be a little off. It's going to show rain. I believe it's going to start as definitely going to start as snow and then go over to a mix before turning all the rain. And that's what it looks like. This is the 4K NAM. So we're going to back it up to a wider view. We're backed up to the 12K NAM, which is a little bit wider, so better precipitation typing, things of that matter. As you see, we're looking more into coming up for this weekend. You can see, there we go, freezing rain and sleet. Definitely going to show up here on the day, Friday night and Saturday morning. So this is something to definitely keep an eye on. You see, as we'll move to the north, the warm air will kick in eventually, and that will allow everything to go to rain. The problem is the wedging. We always have an issue with the wedge, and we're hoping that wedge kicks out just in enough time. We don't have a more extended time frame of ice. But, based on what I've seen in the computer model data, it looks pretty well that we're going to see a change to rain by 11 a.m., 12 noon latest on Saturday. I'm going to back up to the GFS, which is a little bit better. You'll be able to see a lot more with the GFS going on here. See the storm coming up from the west. It's going to blow up across the areas such as Chicago and Wisconsin and Minneapolis. And it actually going to be close in Chicago. Get some icing going on before it gets colder and the snow fills back in. Let's see what happens here. You see the same icing issue. And now you see the rain, and it ends with sleet, some snow possibly in Roanoke and in Delaware Valley as we head into early Monday morning. So that's what we're looking at now. We go out further in the GFS. This is called more called the wish area, wish guessing area. See what's going on beyond that time frame. And you see, we get a few disturbances come through. Really, what we can see is we get a low pressure system, which has been shown up in the Euro to form along the coastline, which will allow a nor'easter by the end of this year in the areas of the 28th of the month. I'll keep an eye on it for you, but beware of some possibly slick conditions in Delaware Valley tomorrow morning, and also take a look at coming into the issue on Friday. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.